So today we will be solving LeetCode question number 226, and that is invert binary tree. So as the question says, we need to invert the given binary tree. For example, we have 4, 2, 7, 1, 3, 6 and 9. If I just invert it, so the answer would be 4, 7 goes here, 7 was previously here. Then at 7 we had 6 and 9, they both are now inverted. So 9 comes here and 6 goes here. Similarly 2 goes here, 3 was here, 1 was here, but now 3 is here, 1 will be here. So we have inverted the binary tree. If you want a better understanding, you could just look at this binary tree in which we had 2, 1 and 3, and what we received after inverting the binary tree is 3, 2, 3 and 1. Okay, so let us start doing the question. We need to return the root node. So I think passing the tree itself would be a better choice, and returning the same root as we are given with would be a good option for us now. So I think we should start the question. I'll be calling the solver function solver, and I'll just be passing the root. Okay, I'll just be passing the root, and yeah, I'll be returning the root. As simple as it is. Then the time comes to create my solver function, void solver, and what solver gets is firstly our tree node star root. Okay, we know the base condition of our trees, that is whenever the root will be null, we will be returning some or the other value, and it is a void function, so we will just be returning. Okay, so if root equals null, then you may please return. Okay, now I want you all to imagine a simple basic tree of just 3 nodes. Okay, this, for example, this one, we are having 2, 1 and 3. If at any moment I want to invert the positions, so I require 1 at the right and 3 at its left. So if that is so the case, then I think I should just store 1 at some memory location, 3 at some memory location, and then just copy their values, and then just iterate or recursively move on to the next left or the right value in that tree. Is that so? What we said, copy the values, invert the values, and then just move on to recursively move on to the next left half or the right half of the tree that we are having furthermore. Okay, so we need to copy. So for copying we need to create a tree node. So tree node left is equals to what left will get, whatever our roots left is there, that my tree node will be getting roots value, but if at any moment that is null, so what? So treat that, I need to just fix it a little bit. Roots value, whenever that exists, then please just copy the roots value, roots left, sorry, value. Okay, if that exists, if roots left exists, then please just copy uh, roots left's value, else you may please just copy 0. Sorry, it should be a colon. Okay, that is for the left. Okay, control V. For right it will be, if right exists, or I think I should not copy the value, I think I should just copy the whole of the node. Value does not makes any sense to me right now. Copying the node will be a because we are creating a tree node now. So if I just create a tree node, left goes and takes the value of left of that current root node, and right goes and takes the value of the right node, and if that is null, then that will be getting a 0. and I think that, yeah, that is it. Let me check once more. Tree node left goes, if that exists, then we need to give it the left value L0. Tree node, and it should be right. It should be right. If right, okay, what right will be getting? And I think I should just name it 1. So to avoid the confusion, right one and left one. So what right one will be getting? Roots right. If it exists, then give it roots right, else 0. So far so good. After this, we will just be copying. So roots left is equals to what? Right one. As we said, roots right is equals to left one. That is good to go. And what is left is just the part that we need to call the solver function towards the left and towards right. So let me call the solver function solver root, go towards left, solver root, go towards right, and that is it. Pretty much it. That is good to go. Let me just try running it. If it gets submitted, then I'll be explaining, or I'll be deep diving in. Where is the error? Left one, that should be, yeah, my bad. And that is it, I think so. Yeah, that is accepted, and that will be accepted, but I just need to explain this portion. What we did, we created 2 nodes and we copied the value of the current nodes left into left one, current nodes into current nodes right into right one, and then I said now it's my time. Like for example, if I had 2, 1 and 3, so I copied 1 into left one, and 3 node that is carrying 1, the whole node into left one, and the node that is carrying 3 in the whole into right one. After copying them, I just said roots left now gets the value of right one. Okay, roots, what is my current root? This one. It gets the value of right one. So this whole node is copied this side, and this whole node is copied this side, and that is it. We then recursively move on to the roots left, and solver goes to the roots right, and the thing goes on and on. Whenever we encounter any uh, root or any parent node, we just see its children's, we just copy their values, sorry, not their values, the nodes into left one and right one, and then we just swap these values, and then we recursively iterate over the next values or the next nodes leftwards and rightwards, and that is it. If I just submit it, that will be submitted, and yeah, that is submitted, and yes, good to go. And I think the discussion was clear. If you have any doubts, please do comment it down in the comment section. We will be meeting in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.